Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to remove keyboard language in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then here select system. Select system. And here select languages and input. And here select on-screen keyboard. And click on Gboard. And click on languages. These are all the language that I have already added. Apart from English, I have Tamil, Kannada, Gujarati, Telugu and Punjabi. If you would like to remove language from the keyboard, here you got to click on this edit symbol and select the languages to be removed. I have selected Tamil, Kannada, Gujarati, Telugu and Punjabi. Apart from English, I have selected all other languages and click on delete button and they will be deleted. Yes, they have been deleted. So in this way, you can easily remove keyboard language if you don't wish to keep on keyboard. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.